The admin is unable to reach the internet page on the server. Investigate and resolve the issue if possible. Let's access admin PC and check the browsing to the internet page. It fails. Ping the IP of the server to determine the reachability. It is possible that the server is reachable, but the web service is unresponsive. If you downloaded this lab prior to March 23rd, the response here will be different. This may impact how you ultimately resolve the issue. The response is a host unreachable from router 1. Reachability is good up to router 1, so let's log into it. The interfaces on router 1 are up, and it has a route to the 10.10.30.0/24 network. An attempt to ping the gateway fails. This does not, however, mean there's no reachability. A ping can fail because of an ACL, which is the case. Don't assume reachability is not working solely because a ping fails. Let's log into switch 2. How do we log in when there is no IP per the diagram? We could assume the last octet of 2 because the router has .1. We could check the route table for the next hop associated with the server's network. We could, but I wouldn't make it that easy. CDP can be used to determine switch 2's IP. Issue the command show CDP neighbor. CDP is not enabled. This can be corrected by enabling it globally with the command cdp run. It can take up to 60 seconds for the relevant information to display. By default, CDP messages are exchanged every 60 seconds. Issue the show CDP neighbor command again. There's only one neighbor and it's switch 1. The problem is that CDP should be enabled globally and on the interface. CDP was disabled on the interface towards switch 2. Correct this with the CDP enable command at the interface level. With switch 2's IP, we can log in. Show interface status reveals another issue. The server's port is assigned to VLAN 10 instead of VLAN 30. Make the correction. Return to the admin PC and validate that the internet page is reachable.